So let's start a demonstration. First, you have to install the package Python deb. Without this, the installer won't work. So make sure you have it. This cannot be built standalone, so you have to do it. In my case, I have it already installed, so there's no need to install it again. If you are using Ubuntu or Debian, which is my case, you install the package Python deb. If you are using CentOS, Red Hat or Fedora, you install the package Python devel. So that's it. Now let's check. For you to verify I don't have the package, and there's no installation right now, so it's empty, it's clear. I don't have academic torrents, and neither academic torrents nor libtorrent. I don't have anything, so we are okay. So let's start. Install. So you use this mode. Let me check in history. Yeah, it's easier that way. Yes, here we have the option pip install academic torrents. I'm using this abbreviation because I have developed a custom install, so I have to provide this option user to the setup.py. And how do I do that? Through the install option parameter. Don't do this because it won't work, because it is going to just call the pip module installation and not going to call the custom install in the setup.py. For you to see it again, I don't have nothing, I don't have anything, so we can start the installation. Yeah, here, enter, and it's there. As you see, this making progress, and here is calling the setup.py, and it's going to take a while here. So let's I will pause the video for you to and we'll check again in a few minutes, because it will take like 15 minutes, something like that. Well, it depends on your processor also. Let's continue waiting. Let's wait until it finishes, so we can start testing. First, we need to do something. We need to do a source. This file .at dash profile underscore profile it has environmental variables, so we should first run source command, and then we can start testing. There you go. First, and it's there, as you can see, and there it is. You can have here, you can choose what files to download. And there you can see the 3 torrent files which are being downloaded by the program, by the application. and it's there. If you wanna check it, they are here, here, and the other is this one. In this case we chose not to download this, so it's okay. We got this message. We just downloaded this and this, so 2 files. And that's it. That's the application. If you wanna check it, pip freeze, and you see here academic torrents. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.